got the drone all tied up to his line. He's doing calibration. He did a gyro calibration earlier on. And now he's going to put the weight, position everything correctly. So there he is. Making sure the gears are properly engaged. In the meantime, his pal over here is manning the fishing rod, making sure the thing's set up correctly. So you're pulling up all the weights and all the bait. All being pulled up, all the parts up and up and up. We seem to be going further and further out. Quite difficult to see against the bright sky. He must be about 150 meters. They've dropped it now. That's about, he must be about, let me see now, that's not fishing with a kite, but fishing with a drone. You see the drone coming over me here? It's above me now. And now he's going to go out with his drone. You can see it going out with the fishing rod. He's heading out. Further and further out. You can hardly see it anymore in the At some point he's going to drop the bait. I can see it very vaguely. Kind of dark. Now he's just dropped it. You can see the fishing rod jumping. Now he's going to fly the drone back again. Maybe he's still flying further out. Ah, there's the drone above me. I didn't even see it. There it is. Coming down. Very quiet drone. The automatic reel over here, you can see that's 254 meters, 253, 252. Much easier than reeling. You can see the rod's bending quite strongly. It probably means he's got something on here, but he's still about this part of 300 and something meters out. They're a lot better than reeling. It's a long job. So I'll come back into this one later on when he's closer in. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So he has 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish, 4 fish, 5 fish. Some nice sized ones, yeah. Some sort of bottom feeding fish over here. You can see that depending on how the line went. Another kind of bottom fishing skate of some sort. So every one of these hooks I recognize that fish very well. Different types of fish. So every single hook had a fish on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a good catch. Unbelievable number of fish. Not bad. Not bad at all. And the other guy's got a, doing the same. He's checking his fishing rod out to see if he's taking the fish. Yep. And the whole school of fishing boats with lights out here doing their own thing. What can you say about them? All heard of them before. Psychedelic lights on. That was worth seeing.